Warm-up number 28, Power Standard 5, says multiply, show your work. So again, we have two numbers written in scientific notation here. If I want to multiply them together, what I need to realize is that this is just all multiplication. If it's just all multiplication, I don't even need the parentheses. And then knowing with multiplication, we can use the commutative property, I can switch things around. Again, probably adding steps that you might not do, because you know that we can multiply in any order. So I'm going to start with this 2 times 4 here. 2 times 4 is 8 times same base multiplying using our exponent rules. I add the exponents. So I get 8 times 10 to the 6th. And because we started in scientific notation, I'm going to leave my answer in scientific notation. Power Standard 6 asks, what is the length of the hypotenuse? How do you know? Well, anytime I see a right angle and I'm looking for a length, I think Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. The hypotenuse is the longest side. It's a side across from the right angle, and we call that c. So now I'm just going to plug these numbers in for a and b. So I'm going to say 7 squared plus 24 squared is equal to c squared. And just like before, I need to grab a calculator. Seven squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. Plus, if you go 24 squared, that's 576. That's going to equal c squared. Then if I add 49 plus 576, that ends up being 625. And that's what c squared is. It's not what c is. That's not the length. So remember, what we do is we take the square root. And if I take the square root of 625, it works out to be 25. So the length of the hypotenuse is 25 miles.